Hi Gavin, you gave me a question, what is bonsai? Here is my few words about what is bonsai for me. Like many things, also bonsai could mean different things to different people. And one of the things which bonsai means to me, it's metaphor for life. The tree starts its life cycle as a simple seed. If the seed has the right conditions, it's able to sprout, create the seedlings, and from this seedling could grow mighty tree if it's in nature, or bonsai if it's in care of bonsai artists. At the end of life cycle of any tree, there is a death. Sometimes expected, sometimes sudden. Between beginning and end of the life cycle of a tree, there is many seasons most of the time, which matters. Important thing is what happens between these 2 points in time. How this time is used, what we will do with that. The tree in nature which starts and grows is one of the lucky ones, which will create a mighty tree. If it's big enough and mature, it can provide the shade for fragile creatures. It can provide oxygen, in some cases fruits for birds and different animals. It's very useful. And the life of such tree is many times not so easy. It needs to resist the forces of nature. It spends a lot of seasons outside. It's exposed to extreme weather conditions, heavy rains, thunderstorms, snow falls, tough winters. The tree needs to be strong enough to survive all these conditions. It is very similar to humans, to us, that we start our life bare with very few resources and we are dependent. If we grow, we learn new skills along the way. Season by season, we are learning new skills, we are adapting the same as the trees in the nature. This is, in my opinion, important, how we are using the resources we've been given. This is metaphor for life between the bonsai and between the humans. And also in our bonsai hobby, we are learning and gaining new skills, using new tools. If we want to succeed, produce something which makes sense and which is creating emotions, we need to learn how to work with different plants, how to keep them alive, how to shape them so they will look like as a trees which we created for ourselves in our imagination. Sometimes, the same as in human life, we make a mistake. Not everything is perfect. We are facing struggles. The tree could be attacked by aphids or some kind of fungal problem, but we are learning to deal with that. We are moving on, and season by season we are stronger, and then if we are lucky ones, we can provide to protection to fragile ones and maybe to share what we learn along the way. Metaphor for life.